Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a board private in Monday web application. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to go to your Monday website by going to your browser and type monday.com. After that you will need to go and sign up with your email to create a new account. And if you do already have one, just log in into your account and then follow the simple steps. And basically the first step is to go to your work management and search for the board that you want to make it private, and of course you are going to click on it so we can change its settings. And as you can see, for each board there are these 3 points icon, and here we are going to see all the settings concerning the board. And either you can go to these 3 points icons here in this corner, or you can go just to the list of your boards and you will find these 3 points action. And basically when you click on it, we will find an option that is called change board type, and by clicking on it you will find that you can make your board to a private one. So basically you are going to change board to private, and now the icon of our board has been changed because it's become private. And also we can do it from here. We can go to this 3 points icon here, and we go to board settings, change board type, and let's make it main again so I can show you how to make it private again. So let's just go back, board settings, board, and here we will find change to private. We click to private, and then we will find this button. We click on it and it will become private again. So basically this is how you can change the privacy or the type of your board on Monday web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.